Yo, what's up, traders? It's April 19th, 2021, and super nice day outside. I'm stoked to be able to work outside here. And Monday, we've been smashing it in the market. So going to talk about pound that I called yesterday in the weekly outlook video. If you saw that, made an awesome euro pound trade using the Romentum Indicator, yen breaking down here, and also gold. So without further ado, let's check out what's going on in the charts, how we took it. We actually just, by the way, gotten a little counter trend trade here on pound dollar. Riskier trade. I did outline that in the actual signal itself. But it looks like we're coming to a close here. And a lot of times I'll put on the standard Romentum settings here, which is 14, and have a look and see what's going on with the volume profile, which you can see here, especially how we've filled out and really started to empty into that, to the bullish or bearish zone there. So looking good for a short, and really more than anything, just trading that on a pullback for euro pound. And this was a massive breakdown that we are still holding in profits, and we're going to be holding this for a while till our I think 120 pip target. We made a new low here at 8,489. And the reason we took this trade, you can see this on the 5-minute. On the 15-minute, I outlined this previously in our training here, in the Romentum training, where I outlined exactly how to do this, what I'm following, the process. You can see this 200 moving average. I actually added this strategy, or really confirmation, on there. I already mentioned it in a previous video. You can see we're below the envelope here. So below the envelope, we retested this area. If you see this with a confirmation cross on this Romentum plus the CCI pointing downwards, that's a huge indicator. It's like, okay, all systems go. This is a good trade, and it's turned out to be that way, you know. So looking at correlations with the pound, as I talked about in the previous video. So if you missed that, check it out. Some other trades that we're in, Aussie yen trade, it's really similar scenario, right? You see this, looks familiar. Here is the 200. Here's the envelope. Here is the cross, and we're showing that we're bearish here. And this was our entry right at the breakdown point. Here we have this huge bearish engulfing candle and a pullback, and this was our entry point. And this actually was only shared, I haven't specifically for Romentum subscribers, a channel where I share trades with more detailed analysis of why exactly I entered this trade and how they can do the exact same thing using the same system. So euro pound looking solid. NZD JPY, we were in this yesterday. From last night, we caught this first move, which is a breakdown from here. This was Sunday. It's always a little sketchy entering Sunday calls, right? But we took profits here. It's just a 20 pip scalp, more or less. And I've re-entered here after this similar breakdown. So here's the 200 moving average. We retested, another rejection, and looking for some more moves lower. And there's a lot of risk off sentiment. Seems like that's creeping in here. Gold's broken down, which is showing a strong dollar. Bitcoin mines, apparently something went down in China, right? So that could be if we see Bitcoin go back down to 50K, I know people are saying it doesn't have any correlation to the market, but at this point, it has such a big market cap and people invested into it that, yeah, I think it probably would. So I'm going to be looking for that, and it's going to be a big week. So if you want to, going to be still holding NZD JPY to the short side, euro yen, same deal. I'm looking for an entry here. And if you go to just zoom out, this is the same trade that we've been holding. This is like 2 weeks ago, right? So I entered this and we came back. Of course, we were stopped out of entry, but the same analysis still applies. You know, I talked about this 2 weeks ago. Sometimes it just takes a long time for these breakdowns to happen. And I think we're in the middle for it for euro yen. So this is going to be, has a lot of potential to the downside if you're looking for a new entry on euro JPY. So, so that being said, keep an eye on those yen pairs. If you want to get started using this exact same strategy that I use and have me show you exactly how to do it with like a 25 video strategy course and a channel that you can get access to these trades. So I'll send out the chart, a video, and show you exactly what I did, my thought process, and how I got there. And so you can reverse engineer it. Be like, okay, what was Clay looking at here? Oh, okay, I see that. That makes sense. Oh, we're below this moving average, and here we are on the Romentum. It's showing this bearish volume. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. And then once you start doing it again, and again, it won't be long until you can pick these trades out on your own. Set alerts. So you get alerts here. So it tells you when these trades are happening, so you can see I've just been targeting euro yen, been targeting AJ, NJ, and also gold as well. So I'll talk about that in a gold video. So stay posted for that. We hit 100 pips in gold using the same strategy. Euro yen, running it at 60 pips. It works. Click the link below. Check it out. See for yourself. And let's have an awesome week, everybody. Peace.